Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about the modulation. So modulation is the process by means of mixing of low frequency signal with a high frequency signal. So basically low frequency signals are called as a baseband signal in communication system. So baseband signals are the information signal or input signal to a communication system, and that can be analog, that is sound, picture, or it can be digital, that is the computer data. The electrical equivalent of this original information signal is called as a baseband signal. Again I am repeating, the electrical equivalent of the original signal is called as a baseband signal. So here the process of mixing of low frequency signal, say baseband signal, is mixed with high frequency signal, and that is called as a modulation. So modulation or modulating signal is the bandpass signal which has low power by means of its electrical power. So by using modulation process we can change one of the characteristics of the modulating signal, say amplitude or frequency, or we can consider the phase of the original signal. Therefore it is called as a modulation. So basically modulation has different advantages, such as it increases the range of transmission, it improves the quality of reception. Also the multiplexing, say the transmission of more than one signal is possible. It avoids the original signal by means of mixing of the signal, and it reduces the height of transmitting antennas. So modulation is a key factor or key element in the communication system which should be used in order to enhance the signal capabilities. So we can transmit the information signal by means of modulating the information signal with high frequency signal. So basically there are three types of modulation. So first type is the frequency modulation, second type is the amplitude modulation, third type is the phase modulation. So here the input signal is given to the modulator. So input signal is called as a modulating signal which has low power, and the modulator has carrier frequency, say it is called as a high power signal. So the mixing of input signal with carrier signal or low power signal with high power signal by means of a block, that is called as a modulator, and at the output side we are getting modulating signal. Okay,